Hi friends, visualize a scenario in terms of what you would have done during the COVID days if you did not have access to a smartphone. Now what that you visualized it, you will appreciate the fact that every aspect of our lives have been digitized in some form or the other. There is no area of our life and our life's experience which is not digital, from what we buy to what we eat to who we meet to where we go to what we do. Now, this whole digital economy needs the underlying premises is being able to build customized experience for a prospect. So every company which has to operate on digital needs to be able to build customized experience and offer customized solution to its prospective clients, to not just to be able to reach out, to also be able to understand the consumer and tailor your offering alongside. Any company which is not able to do this obviously will run a challenge in the marketplace. So therefore, there is a huge demand of data scientists which is getting generated to be able to build these algorithms, to be able to develop these solutions which help each and every company to be able to work well and profitably in the digital world. Therefore, given this backdrop in mind, whether you're in marketing, whether you're in finance, whether you're in sales, an understanding of data science, AI, and ML is essential. Alternatively, if you want to go deep into AI and ML, definitely a huge amount of prospects in terms of jobs, in terms of building your own startups, building your own apps, joining startups, as well as large organizations. The opportunities are enormous.